Say your name.
Hello, this is me eating a warhead. Blueberry, black raspberry. Oh yeah.
You don't want Dad to post it. She look like a thing. No, you're faking.
You're anticipating.
No, she does it because she wants to play for the camera.
Oh God, it's tingling. Oh God, it's the end of it. Jesus, loser. All the sour is gone.
Woo!